Hey guys, I'm back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're actually talking about another iPhone 7 promotion, this time from a different prepaid carrier, guys. I know we have talked about Boost Mobile, how they're doing it for only $30. You can get iPhone 7 if you port in. And then, of course, we just made a video about Metro by T-Mobile, how they're doing basically BOGO deal where for $50 you can get two iPhone 7 as well if you port in from, of course, a non-competing carrier. But this time, guys, it's from a very, very different prepaid carrier. It's, of course, it's not Cricket, guys. It's actually AT&T prepaid. And this is a weird promotion because usually AT&T prepaid doesn't have the best promotions. That's usually what Cricket's there for. So this was kind of a shock to everybody, really. But let's go ahead and check it out, guys. And this is an exclusive deal, but there are also some perks to this deal and requirements, so that's why we're going to check it out. Today is Sunday, so I thought, at least when the making of this video, who knows when I'll upload it, but usually Sundays I like it's more comfortable. I have my couch right here, and yeah, I was able to fit a couch in my office, so yeah, it's not a big one, but hey, it works at least. It's pretty comfortable, like I said, on Sundays just to relax on it. So let's go ahead and check out this deal. So I'm reading it from my iPad, guys, because this is a newer promotion. I can kind of tell you some things about it, but to get more information, I will read some of this. But this is an exclusive Walmart AT&T prepaid deal, guys. So that means you cannot get this at your local AT&T store unless they changed it. But so far, it's saying that it's only available at your local Walmart. Walmart, of course, does sell AT&T prepaid. Like I said, they usually don't have many promotions, but this is such a good deal. Especially around this time, like I said, every carrier is trying to get rid of that iPhone 7. So this is a good one, and AT&T as well has jumped into it. Now, this promotion, it says here, is good until June 14th, guys, so way past tax time. So this is a really good time for tax time. Maybe you need a new summer phone, so it is close to the summer. But wow, this promotion is going on for a long time, also while supplies last. But, they are really trying to get rid of that iPhone 7 since, of course, the iPhone 12 is about to pop out. The iPhone SE 2, what they call it, or the iPhone 9 is about to come out. There's going to be 5 variants of the iPhone, the new iPhone this year at least. So that's going to be pretty crazy. So, like I said, it is until June 14, 2020. You must get a $50 plan or higher to get this promotion. So anything less than that, you will not qualify for it. It's only available for new customers or porting customers. So if you're upgrading, guys, if you already have AT&T prepaid, you will not be able to get this deal, which kind of sucks for current customers. But like I said, a lot of carriers are trying to attract that new clientele. So what's cool though is you don't have to port in. You can just be a new customer, which is pretty cool. At least I like that. Maybe it's your first time getting a phone. You don't have a phone to port in from. Maybe it's for your kid or someone. It's a pretty good deal. I might just go ahead and check it out. I mean, it's a good deal. Now, another thing is you must set up auto pay. So that's one of the requirements here. It says that you must get a $50 plan or higher, and with auto pay, of course, to get this deal. So I don't know how maybe to get that deal, you might have to set it up at the cash register. But yeah, so like I said, for current customers, you may have to look elsewhere because this deal, like I said, is only for new customers. So it says, now of course AT&T does have 3 plans to choose from. So this is where I kind of need this iPad. So now for $50, which is the one that they're talking about, guys, you get 8 gigs of high-speed data. You do get data rollover, hotspot as well. That hotspot does eat up at that 8 gigs. HD video streaming as well. With auto pay, you get a pretty good discount for only $40, which I think is a really good deal. Now for $65, you get the unlimited plan, guys. There's no data rollover, and if you want hotspot, it costs $10 for 5 gigabytes of data. HD streaming, no. But for $75 or $55 with auto pay, which is going to be the best deal. I mean, might as well do auto pay, guys. You know that money's going to come out either way because you need to pay your cell phone bill. You do get unlimited data rollover, no, and then you get 10 gigs of data of hotspot, so 10 gigs of hotspot, which is pretty cool. And then of course you do get HD streaming. Now all of these plans as well come with free calls to Canada and Mexico, so if you're calling to Canada or Mexico, this is also available. Of course, you can do additional lines. It says additional lines on the $50 plan are priced at $30 a month. So that's pretty cool. Additional for the 65, it's $35, and for 75, it's $45 if you add additional lines. So it's pretty cool. But apart from that, guys, this is good for Apple users. Like I said, this is, this deal is going on until June 14, which is actually a good time to get one. Like I said, I have said this in previous videos, iPhone 7 is still a very good phone to get. I actually just upgraded from it, and I think it's a good starter iPhone for anybody. It's way better than 6 or 6S in my opinion, but the iPhone 7 is a very good starter phone, especially for $100 plus the plan's $150 plus taxes. You're looking under $180 at least. It's definitely way less than $180. So that's a good promotion. What do you think, guys? For $50, you get 8 gigs of high-speed data, HD streaming. Remember to do that auto pay, and you will get a lot of discounts. So let me know in the comments below what you think. And with these 3 different carriers doing it, like I said, Boost Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile, and now AT&T Prepaid, who are you thinking about getting the iPhone 7 with? Like I said, personally here in my area, I can go with AT&T or the Boost Mobile. Metro or aka T-Mobile doesn't really work that well in my area, or at least in my house. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think and which one are you going to get it. Are you going to wait till tax time, or are you going to hurry up before they sell out? So this is Dragonic Warfare signing off, but before I do that, let me talk about my supporter, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Walmart, AT&T, anybody really, man, even Amazon and Walmart, Best Buy, and all that stuff. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save even more. I will have all that in the description below, so check it out. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know if you like my couch setup. I think it's pretty cool. I'll maybe do a wider lens so you can see more of my collection of things that I have here. So thank you, guys.